Alright guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video we are going to be looking at this portable air compressor. So it's 21 lithium battery. We have 12 volt DC and a LCD screen. So inside right here we have some user manual which you can go through. Here we have a card. This one right here you're gonna plug inside your car and you can plug this into your pump. We have some more pump heads right here. We have a charger right here. We have some car valve cap. There's a clip right here. And then we have the battery, which is 21 volt max lithium battery. Really pretty lightweight. And then we have the pump right here itself. So we can just clip this battery right here onto our pump. And onto the back right here you can see we can change the PSI. So we can change it depending on the type of device we want to pump. We have bikes and cars, we have bicycle, we have ball. So you can change it to kilogram, centimeter, PSI, bar, kPa. So we have all different modes right there which you can change from. There's a light on it as well. And also if you want to dial this more, we can have a button onto the side right here. So we can scroll this button. So we can increase it to our desired PSI that we want. We have a little section right here. So this is where we can plug in our cable, and I can plug this into our wall outlet and still have power onto this device as well. To charge in our car, we can plug it into this section right here as well and plug this into our car supply. And guys, for the battery right here, it is smart power. So once you press this button, it will display the battery percent, green light, which means that this right here is fully charged. So we can charge up this battery right here into these ports. So we have a USB A port and one of these DC port. This pump right here is very versatile and something that I highly recommend.